In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson EcoTank ET-7700 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson EcoTank ET-7700 support. And best results, you go back with an Epson support page that says Epson ET-7700. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down here underneath operating system, click the drop down and select your appropriate version of either Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then you would select go. And then scrolling down again underneath recommended for you, select the driver and utility combo package installer. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. You see it says ET-7700 in the name of that file. Should be a verified publisher, Epson Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen setup guide here. Configure it based on your needs, what optional features or updates you may want to enable for the printer, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.